How come we do it?
Because it's one hell of a life, Tate. One hell of a life.
She's cold and she's mean, but nobody taught her. It takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. I was born in the rain on a Poncha train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane that come around every June. The high black water, devil's daughter. She's hard, she's cold, and she's mean, but nobody taught her. It takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. I work these lines for my living till the day that I retire. No one careless move can kill me. There's fire in the wire.
The guys you work with, you actually with them more than you are your own family.
We know each other's wives. Many times we go out, we eat together, go out on the weekends, we spend time together, we hunt together, fish together.
You think like they think, you work like they work. If I had to put it against anything else, I'd put it like going to war. The guy beside you, you're depending on him. You're depending on him to get you home every day.